Hi class, today we will discuss from the exercise 1.5 sixth problem. And the problem is, if log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then we have to find the value of x by y plus y by x. They have given this and we need to find that value. So using this we are going to do that. How? Let's see. I will take this the given thing that is what? Log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. This they given in the question. Using this I need to find that value. See here. log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Using the logarithmic identity, I can write this as what? Log xy. Using which identity? Log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Using this identity. Done. Next step. Log x plus y by 3 is equal to, this 1 by 2 is there, I can write as what? Log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. How I written? Using the identity log n log a is equal to log a to the power of n. N into log a we can write as what? Log a to the power of n. I have written this. Now remove log on both sides. I am just removing the log on both sides. If I remove log, what will be there? X plus y by 3, and this is what? Xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. So I want to remove this 1 by 2. How can you remove? By doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. If I do squaring on both sides, I can write as x plus y by 3 whole square is equal to xy whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole square. Right? Now this I can write as what? X plus y whole square by 3 square means value is what? 9. I am just splitting the square. And here square and 2 will be get cancelled. Then it will come what? xy. If you observe, this is in the format of a plus b whole square. Using that formula, I can expand this as x square plus y square plus 2xy numerator, and the denominator value is what? 9 as it is, and this side xy as it is. How you got? Means using the formula. What is that formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Using this formula, I have written the numerator as what? X square plus y square plus 2xy, and the denominator is same as it is 9, and this side is what? Xy 9. Now do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9xy. This is division. If you transfer that side, it will become multiplication. Now this plus 2xy transfer that side. Plus 2xy if you transfer, it will become what? Minus 2xy. So x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. Then x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. If you do subtraction, send this xy to this side, it will become what? X square plus y square by xy is equal to 7. Now split the values. How can I split? X square by xy, I am separating, plus y square by xy is equal to 7. I am just separating, right? I will continue here. See what is the step? X square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7. From here, I am writing here, I am continuing here, I am just erasing the first step, and I will write here x and x will be get cancelled. I can write what? X by y. One x in the numerator and one x in the denominator will be get cancelled. So it will become what? X by y plus. Similarly, here also if you do cancellation, it will become what? Y by x. And the answer is what? 7. This is the answer. Clear? Right. Now we'll see one more problem from the same exercise 1.5, that is 7th problem. The problem is if 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. They have given this and we need to find that. See, if you observe carefully, 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. All these three are what? Equal. That means I can equate these two and equate these two. Because a is equal to b is equal to c means I can write a is equal to b, a is equal to c, and even b is equal to c, because all three are equal. We can equate any two. So I am taking 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000. All three are equal. Now I am taking only the first and last, right? And 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000 means I can what? 10 cube. Done. Next, see, it is in what? Exponential form. Convert into logarithmic form. How to convert logarithmic form? X is equal to log 10 cube to the base 2.3, right? So it will become like this. Now 1 by x is equal to, I am doing reciprocal. Here also it will become what? 1 by log 10 cube base 2.3. I am reciprocaling both sides. Here if I do reciprocal, here also I need to do what? Reciprocal, right? Reciprocal means what? Interchanging numerator and denominator. X by 1 it will become what? 1 by x. Log 10 cube base 2.3 by 1 will become what? 1 by log 10 cube base 2.3. Now 1 by x is equal to this, I am gonna write as log 2.3 base 10 cube. How? Using the identity, that is 1 by log a base b is equal to log b base a. Log value and base value will be interchanged if it is 1 divided by log a base b. So using this identity I have written this. Done. Now make it as first equation. Done. Now I am equating these two. 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Same procedure. 0.23 whole power y is equal to 10 cube. Convert into logarithmic form. It will become what? Y is equal to log 10 cube base 0.23. Done. Now same reciprocal each other. 1 by y is equal to 1 by log 10 cube base 0.23. This I can write as what? 1 by y is equal to log 0.23 base 10 cube. Using the identity, that is what? 1 by log a base b is equal to log b base a. Using this identity I have written this. Done. Make it as second equation. Now subtract 1 minus 2, because 1 by x minus 1 by y we required. No, 1 by x value is this and 1 by y value is this. If I do subtraction, it will become what? 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to, what is 1 by x value? Log 2.3 base 10 cube minus log 0.23 base 10 cube. LHS I am subtracting and RHS I subtracted. Next step, 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to, it is log a minus log b. No, I can write this as what? Log 2.3 divided by 0.23 base 10 cube, because bases are what? Same. Which identity I have used? Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. That identity I have used. Now 2.3 divided by 0.23, it will become what? Log 10 base 10 cube. If I do cancellations, 2.3 means it will become what? 23 by 10, and 0.23 means what? 23 by 100. Reciprocal, it will become what? 23 by 10 into 100 by 23. 23 cancel, 10 ones are 10 tens are. So answer we got what? 10. 2.3 divided by 0.23, answer is what? 10. Done. Now if I apply 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 log 10 base 10, using the identity that log a base b to the power of n means 1 by n log a base b. Then 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 into 1, because log 10 base 10 means 1. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer, right? Thank you.